Hey guys, showing you this Crave case for the iPhone 15, and this also has a MagSafe charging thing. So it comes in a nice box, and this is the dual protection that I will show you. So it's really nice built here. You can see the cover inside and the side for the buttons and every stuff. So as I said mentioned, this is the dual protection. So means one is the silicone layer, this is the MagSafe charging inside the ring. So from outside you cannot see it. Once you put in the cover and see like the MagSafe, so it's hold well and keep on charging like that, the magnetic hold. And this you can put like the silicone cover first, and then on top of this is the plastic case for the dual protection, and really helpful in protecting. And this is the camera groove from the corner that you can see, so it can protect your camera, and the side buttons also fits and groove well, so nice in the hands too.